Academy is proud to be recognized as a leader in the ground transportation industry. For more than 50 years, we have safely and efficiently moved groups up and down the East Coast. We've garnered a reputation for top-quality customer service and a well-maintained, late-model, diverse fleet. A key focus of Academy's overall customer service efforts is safety. This focus includes the cleanliness of our vehicles and extends beyond customers to employees as well. Here at Academy, the daily washing and disinfecting of our vehicles, encompassing the exterior and interior, has always been standard operating procedure. This procedure ensures that customers can feel safe and secure while riding with us. Our cleaning process starts with a trip through an on-site bus wash system to thoroughly clean the exterior. The wash includes numerous jet sprayers, rotating brush systems, and high-velocity blow dryers that, when finished, leave the bus looking pristine. Next, the interior of the bus is addressed. First, all high-touch areas are wiped clean and disinfected, including headrests, tray tables, armrests, grab handles, luggage compartments, railings, and windows. The cabin's floor is swept and mopped thoroughly. The restroom is also wiped down and disinfected. Because the safety of our employees is equally important, the driver's cockpit area is also given proper cleaning and disinfecting. This includes the steering wheel, control panels, seat, and handles. We then apply an EPA-approved sanitizing mist agent to the entire cabin. The mist ensures every area of the cabin, including those hard to reach, are disinfected. As an additional measure, we equip each bus with sanitizing wipes so that passengers and drivers can wipe down their personal seating area. At Academy, safety will continue to be an important part of everything we do. It's essential to us that every customer feels confident and relaxed while riding with us. From Boston to Miami, we know the way.